Good morning to all. Now, in this part of my series on the website analysis, I'm going to introduce what we call it as the web analytics technologies. Now, one has to understand that there are two categories of web analytics, and they are offsite, and the second one is called as on-site web analytics. So, what are these two, and how they are different? How they are different from one another is what my focus will be in this part on the website analysis. Offsite web analytics refers to web measurement and analysis regardless of whether you own or maintain a website. It includes the measurement of a website's potential audience, that is an opportunity, share of voice, which we call it as the visibility in the world, and buzz, which comes in terms of the comments that is happening on the internet as a whole. So these buzz, everything is taking place in the public domain. So there's nothing to hide or share. Or be secretive about it. It is almost transparent, and you're very honest to the entire society. Now, on-site web analytics, the more common of the two, measures a visitor's behavior once or twice on your website. This includes its drivers and conversions. For example, the degree to which different landing pages are associated with online purchases. On-site web analytics measures the performance of one's website in a commercial context. This data is typically compared against key performance indicators for measures the website of the website in a commercial context, or the performance that is used to improve a website or marketing campaign's audience response. Google Analytics and Adobe Analytics are the most widely used on-site web analytics service. I do not know how many of you are using what I call it as the Google Analytics or Adobe Analytics. Google Analytics is very popular one. However, Adobe Analytics is something that I'm looking forward, and most probably I might be even showcasing in one of the parts as to how they are different and how popular they are also. Although new tools are also emerging that provide additional layers of information, and we will see what they are with the help of the digital technologies, which includes heat maps, which are widely used, I should say, and the session replays that are taken care of, especially in the domain of the sports. Now, historically, web analytics has been used to refer to on-site visitor measurement. However, this meaning has become blurred in contemporary times, mainly because vendors are producing tools that span both categories. Now, many different vendors provide on-site web analytics software and services. There are two main technical ways of collecting the data. The first and the traditional method, the server log file analysis, which we will see what they are, reads the log files in which the web server records file requests by browsers. The second method, which is right now taking place in the society, is what we call it as a page tagging. It uses the JavaScript embedded in the web page. Now, this is the technical aspect of it. So I think a person coming from the non-technical background, from the computer sciences, need not worry much. However, just understand that yes, we have what we call it as the page tagging. As we tag a friend in Facebook, similarly we do the page tagging. Now, it is embedded using the JavaScript in the web page to make image requests to a third-party analytics dedicated server. Whenever a web page is rendered by a web browser, or if desired, when a mouse click occurs. So the moment you visit to a particular website and you click towards entering into that particular website, you are giving it a presence for it. So both collect data that can be processed to produce what we call it as the web traffic reports. So we will see here now, when I'm visiting a particular website, with a click of the mouse, what is happening, and if I don't, and if I'm just observing it from far off, what exactly is taking place. So these differences also capture a lot of importance, and we will see later on in next part, or maybe in the future parts of the presentations on the website analysis, more into it. So I think I'm going to stop here. Till then, wish you best of luck, and let me catch you up more with the different parts on website analysis. Thanks and take care. Bye.